Well, welcome to Beans and Brews and Bread on tour. We're in İçmeler in Turkey. We've seen a few sorts of interesting little homesteads come small mini allotments as we've been on our wanders. So it's afternoon, it's cooled down a little bit today. Sorry for the sun there, it's absolutely baking, about 33 degrees today. So show some of these on the way. So there's a couple of nice little sort of patches of land where they're growing some interesting vegetables, and we'll see if we can have a bit of a look through the fence if we can. Bit of a homestead patch. Got his little tiller going there, as you can see. Got some pepper plants in the front here. Got his little tiller going. Pretty well cultivated patch of land. There we go. Yeah, lots of little peppers there. Some red peppers, yellow ones. Yeah, really going for it. Don't know what he's had in that patch there, but yeah. You see the water pump there, which is the probably the primary way of getting water up and about the property. All bounded by olive trees. Yes, these are olive trees, all in fruit. So that's doing nice. He's got himself a nice little plot there. See all the irrigation hoses that are all set up, absolutely critical for climate conditions like this. I wonder if this is actually oh, probably not going too close to the lines to be able to keep them intact. So that's probably just still weeds. So goodness knows what he's going to plant in there next. There's loads of aubergine plants at the back, peppers. Really interesting. Probably, I'd say maybe at least twice the size of my plot. Really interesting. So, you know, growing your own stuff carries on. No matter where you go in the world. It's like the bigger scale than mine, but the obligatory pile of spare wood for building and stuff. What do it's going to grow in next? What time are we in now? We're in sort of early August. But you know what? I bet you could get away with anything in this climate. But interesting that everything's bounded by the olive trees, keeps everything covered and the wind's down. Maybe he gets a harvest off those, I don't know, maybe. No. We've got another sort of second plot further down the road. We've only just come sort of about another, 100 yards maybe, and this is just all full of corn. Look how high that is. That is amazing. That is a really good stand of corn, really closely planted together. A few weeds in between them, but I'd be very happy with that. That is great. There's a bit more around the corner as well to have a look at. Maybe not just corn. I think you'll just be able to see through there that is the height that aubergine plants can get here in Turkey. That is an aubergine just swinging in the breeze there. That is amazing. That's about half the height of the corn. That is amazing. See all the corn here with the fronds, all the tassels. But yeah, that's just all aubergines. Maybe some peppers here in the foreground as well. Really interesting to see all this. All the sort of the hot weather Mediterranean plants in this climate doing so well. You know, we struggle so hard to get, you know, even tomatoes are a really good crop, but aubergines, peppers, everything here so much in abundance. It's just amazing. So he's finished his tilling now. He's now going along just underneath the lines where the irrigation goes with a hand tool. Must be going to be planting something. I'm not going to ask him. I don't think he's possibly going to be able to. Well, I still don't understand his Turkish. But no, it's looking good. That's a really well cut plot. Very impressed. Look at all that. Oh, there's some little ones over there. Maybe there are onions on that other side. over there. Could be onions. Oh no. What a great plot. I'd be very proud of those aubergines in his as well. And these peppers. Huh. What a great plot. So much interesting to see in Turkey. Definitely worth a visit. I'd highly recommend it. Not only for the veggies. There's his well on. I don't know if that's like a artesian well or anything, but that's coming up from the ground. Very interesting. Well, from a very hot beans, brews and bread on tour. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Maybe not on holiday, but back at our plot. See you later. Bye.